Welcome back. You're watching the first match in this evening's doubleheader. It's the second match in the best-of-3 quarter-final series. Jamaica College won the first match. Scores so far, Jamaica College on 6 points, Munro College on 3. You'll have noticed JC picked up a point during the break. The answer given to the question about identifying which country's flag is displayed. The flag displayed was indeed Madagascar's flag, which they said. And so they got it right, JC. So they are up by 1 point as we head into the speed challenge, in which teams can answer as many questions as possible during 3 separate 60-second periods. Jamaica College, you sent Munro College in to bat first. It is time for your first minute, Munro College. In the Bible, who was Esther's cousin?
Mordecai.
Yes, what is the name of the visible part of a human tooth above the gum line?
Crown.
Yes, does the adjective abstemious mean temperate, excessive, or crazy?
Excessive.
Temperate. Who tabled the 2026-27 budget at the opening of Jamaica's Parliament in February? Favour Williams, the Minister of Finance. The Hagia Sophia is a late antique church in what country?
Turkey.
Yes, what is the smallest country by size in the Lesser Antilles?
Dominica.
St. Kitts and Nevis. Who recorded the single Lemonade in 2016?
Lady Gaga.
Beyonce. What is the color of the copper 2 chloride compound?
Blue.
Green. What are the next 2 prime numbers after 101?
103 and 107.
Correct. In the animated movie The Lion King, what kind of animal is Shenzi?
Snake.
He's a hyena. In what year did Bolivia achieve independence?
1825.
Good. Who got Jamaica's only individual gold medal at the last Summer Olympic Games in 2024?
Shane Dobson.
Roger Stoner. What is the name for electrical effects which occur without the flow of electric current?
Emission.
No, it's static electricity. Static electricity, Munro. But well done for your first minute. Soon come Jamaica College. It's now time for your first minute. In the Bible, who was Timothy's grandmother?
Loy.
Yes. What is the name of the sensitive layer beneath the enamel of a human tooth?
Pulp cavity.
That makes up, the bulk of the tooth. It's the dentin. Does the adjective contumelious mean worrisome, insulting, or endearing? Yes. Who delivered the throne speech at the ceremonial opening?
The Governor General.
That's correct, Sir Patrick Allen. The Arc de Triomphe de l'Étoile is a famous monument in what city?
Paris.
Yes. What is the largest island by area in the Windward Islands?
Dominica.
Yes. Who recorded the single Purpose in 2016?
Justin Bieber.
Yes. What is the color of anhydrous copper 2 sulfate?
Hydrous black.
White. What are the next 2 prime numbers after 109?
111 and 113.
No, 113 and 127. In the animated movie The Lion King, what kind of animal is Pumbaa?
Warthog.
Yes. In what year did El Salvador achieve independence?
1821.
Yes. How many silver medals did Jamaica win at the 2024 Summer Olympics? Yes. What is the name for the property of a transverse traveling wave in which the direction of oscillation is perpendicular to the direction of propagation? Pardon?
Transverse.
No, it's polarization. Polarization. Well done, though, JC, for your first minute. Munro College, we're coming back over to you now. It's time for your second minute. What lunch item in English is the Spanish hamburguesa y papas fritas?
So, burger and fries.
Yes. Who is the author of the novel Becca Lamb?
Ziegel.
Yes. What is the name of the flat and round Jamaican cake made with molasses and spiced with ginger and nutmeg? Yes. In the Bible, the risen Jesus appeared to 2 disciples walking from Jerusalem to what village? About 7 miles away. Pardon?
Emmaus.
Yes. In cellular respiration, which stage occurs in the cytoplasm rather than in the mitochondrion? No, it's glycolysis. Which 8-letter adjective starting with P is the opposite of squalid?
Pass.
Pristine. In February 2026, which American civil rights leader died at the age of 84? Jesse Jackson. Which animal uses echolocation to hunt insects at night? Yes. What is the name for a line on a map representing points of equal amounts of cloud cover?
Isonef.
Yes. Who hosted the 2026 Grammy Award ceremony?
Trevor.
Yes. What is the chemical formula for vinegar?
Vinegar. CH3COOH.
Yes. How many ways can 5 people sit in a row?
6.
No, 120 ways. Well done, Munro, for your second minute there. Jamaica College, coming back over to you now. It is time for your second minute. What lunch item in English is the Spanish perrito caliente y jugo de naranja?
So, hot dog and orange juice.
Yes. Who is the author of the novel Black Beauty?
Anna Sewell.
Yes. What is the meat from an oversized sea snail called in Jamaica? Yes. In the Bible, Jesus healed a man who had been unable to walk at what pool near the sheep gate in Jerusalem?
Bethesda.
Yes, in aerobic respiration, which gas acts as the final electron acceptor at the
Oxygen.
end of the electron transport chain? That's right. Which 10-letter adjective starting with B is the opposite of malevolent?
Benevolent.
Benevolent.
Yes, in February 2026, the European Commission opened an investigation into which online fast fashion retailer over the alleged sale of illicit. That's correct. Which fish inflates its body to scare predators?
Pufferfish.
Yes, what is the name for a line on a map representing points of equal precipitation?
I see it.
Yes, at the 2026 Grammy Awards, which artist's album GNX was nominated for
Lamar.
Album of the Year? Correct. What is the chemical formula for perchloric acid? And we won't have time to complete the question or get the answer. That's HClO4. Well done, gentlemen, for your second minute. Okay, Munro College, we're coming back over to you now for your third and final minute. From which film is the famous line, I see dead people?
No, Sixth Sense.
Sixth Sense.
Yes, The Sixth Sense. Which Russian ruler abdicated during the 1917 revolution?
Nicholas II.
Yes, which famous horse race in the USA is nicknamed the Run for the
It's Boss.
Roses? Kentucky Derby. Is temperature an example of a vector or scalar quantity or neither?
Scalar.
Yes, what is the meaning of the Spanish verb traer?
Shire. To bring.
Yes, or to carry. Who wrote the book On the Road?
On the road. Jack Kerouac.
Yes, complete the Jamaican proverb. Na by puss.
In a bog.
Yes, in the Bible. Which king's pride resulted in him being reduced to the level of an animal?
Nebuchadnezzar.
Yes, which part of a plant is called the pneumatophore?
The root. The root.
That's right. Give one word which means both up to date and a flow of water.
Current.
Yes, which local trade union uses the acronym JALGO?
Jamaica
JALGO.
Association of Local Government Officers.
Good. Dyspomania is an abnormal crave for what?
Music.
No, alcohol. Iwo Jima is an island in which ocean?
Ocean.
No, in the ocean, in the Pacific Ocean. Well done, Munro, for your third minute there. Jamaica College, we'll come back over to you now. It's time for your third and final minute.
Milky.
An object with 8 vertices has how many edges?
12.
No, 7. From which film is the famous line, "Why so serious"?
The Dark Knight.
Yes. What was the name for the post-war trials which prosecuted major
Nuremberg
Nazi
trials.
leaders? Yes. What is the name for the final leg of the Triple Crown in U.S. horse racing?
Kentucky Derby.
No, it's the Belmont Stakes. Is displace a vector or scalar quantity? Yes. What is the meaning of the Spanish verb encontrar?
To find.
Yes, or to discover. Who is the author of the book The Crying of Lot 49?
Pass.
Thomas Pynchon. Complete the Jamaican proverb. The more you look.
Let's see.
Yes, in the Bible, how many additional years was added to the
15.
life of Hezekiah? Sorry?
15.
Yes, after his repentance. What is the name for the tips of filaments from which fungi grow?
Hypha.
Yes, give one word, which means both a genre of music
Rock.
and a stone. Yes, which local trade union uses the acronym JUPOPE? J-U-P-O-P-E?
Union of Public Officers and Public Employees.
Good. A clinomania is an excessive desire to do what? Stay in bed. The Nicobar Islands.
Indian Ocean.
Okay, Indian Ocean came before the bell, I believe. I'm not sure how clear it was, but it is indeed correct. The Nicobar Islands, located in which ocean? The Indian Ocean. That is the end of the third and final minute. In the speed challenge, scores in the match look to be Jamaica College on 34 points, Munro College on 26. When we come back, there'll be time for the exciting buzzer challenge, which will decide our winners and the final spot in the semi-final round, potentially. But let's hear a good word first from True Milk. Focus on growth. Celebrate progress, not just results. Stay tuned. The second match in this best-of-3 quarter-final series returns right after this.